Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2. So I just filmed a video on how to start a YouTube channel, but this time I'm gonna share with you guys where the money comes from. Be sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my next video. Okay, so let's just jump right in. It's so hot, you guys, here in San Diego today. When you start a YouTube channel, you monetize your videos, you put ads, and you control the ads. So if you want to put 10 ads in a video, it has to be more than 10 minutes in order for you to add more than just one ad. So that's one of the things that I learned. I want to say I learned that after being on YouTube for 2 years. I have noticed that a lot of the YouTubers are adding more ads into their videos, which is totally fine. The more ads that you have on a video, the more money you get paid. And also, you do not get paid by subscribers, you get paid by views. So the more views the video has, the more money you make, and it's gonna collect revenue. So you just upload your video, you put your ads, you put all your information. That's another thing. If you want to make money here on YouTube, you have to use affiliate links, and that is links that will give you some kind of a commission. I do have affiliate links for Amazon's reward styles as well, and you just add them into your description box, and then when people go and purchase that item, you receive a small percentage, like a small commission. You guys want to hear something funny? When I first got an email from a company who wanted to work with me, I completely ignored them. And this is why I ignore them. I ignore them because I thought that they were gonna send me products and I had to pay for those products. That's how silly I was, because honestly I was clueless of what YouTube was. All I wanted to do was upload videos and just have pretty much, I guess, friends. I just wanted to make videos and share with you guys what I like, my home decor ideas, my fashion, my just everything. And I did not know that companies send you things for free. I was clueless. So I remember this company sent me an email and said, hey, we would love to send you this for you to do a video. And I said, oh no, they're gonna try to charge me for that, and I don't have money to pay for that. So I completely ignored the email. And then later on, I talked to a friend who was a YouTuber, and we started like becoming friends, and she's like, yeah, like you just get things for free, and I did the video and blah blah blah. And I was like, oh, so you don't have to pay for that? So yeah, you do not have to pay for that. A lot of brands will reach out to you for you to do dedicated videos. I personally decline a lot of people, and the reason why I do is because if it doesn't suit my brand or my my style, then I'm not gonna show it on my YouTube channel. That's just a rule that I have. As you get bigger here on YouTube, you can charge for dedicated videos. There is a website called Social Blue Book, and it gives you the value of your platforms here on like either YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and it shows you like an estimate of how much you should be charging for a dedicated video or a dedicated post or a what's it called, like a shout out, that there is a value to your channel. YouTube is a form of advertising. Social media, it is pretty much how companies advertise their products. Influencers, I am considered an influencer, because if I say this candle is amazing, it's great, most of you, well not all of you, but most of you who watch my videos are gonna trust what I say and are gonna be like, oh, I want that candle because Leslie likes it, so I like it and I'm gonna buy it. So therefore I pick and choose what I would like to feature here on my channel, because I don't want to lie to you guys and say this candle is great and it's like 80 bucks and it's not even great. But you know, I don't know if it makes sense what I'm trying to say. If you're doing a dedicated video, a lot of the times companies will offer you money, or they will offer you just a product, but you got to keep in mind that you're using your time, which is, time is money. And also you're using your equipment, you're using your laptop where I started filming and doing videos for fun. Until later, that's when I discovered that I can make an income out of it. But it was not like right away. It took a long time for me to know that. So just know that you have a value, and it's important that you know it, and that you let the companies know as well that you're not naive and you don't know what's going on and you're doing all these dedicated videos for free, when in fact companies do have a budget for marketing. And that's one of the things my husband always told me when I started doing YouTube. He's like, why don't you charge for that? Why don't you? And I said, because I'm not a big YouTuber, and it's okay, you know. And later on I realized, you know what, I think he was right the whole time. It is important to at least get something out of it, out of the collaboration. Whether if you want that really nice handbag and in return you're doing a dedicated video, but that handbag is expensive, then go for it, you know. As long as you feel happy, that's all that matters. If you are okay with doing a video that you are not charging anything for, that is completely fine too. There's companies who are going to be shady. I'm just going to tell you straight up. I had an experience that I wanted to make a video about it, but I'm going to talk about it right now. I did a dedicated video for a company. We agreed on a couple $100s for that dedicated video, and I was so excited. I did my best. I showed you guys everything. I gave you guys my honest opinion. So many of you messaged me and asked me, oh my god, is it a scam, or is it, how is the quality of everything? And I was just like, I was blown away. It was great. So when I uploaded the video, I sent them the link and I said, here, the video is uploaded. Here's where you can make your payment. I usually do it through PayPal, but it's better to do it through a bank account, which I have learned throughout the time that I've been here. I haven't done many dedicated videos. I only done a couple, but like I said, you learn from experience. But anyways, like I was saying, I sent them my PayPal account and I told them, okay, well, the video's done, everything's great, I'm getting the views, people are loving it, the feedback is great. Well, it turns out that the company said that they were not going to pay me. When I first uploaded the video, I forgot to put the links down below on the description box. As soon as they told me, I fixed the mistake right away and everything was just fine, right? It turns out the company said, no, we're not going to pay you. We're not going to pay you for your video. So yeah, we're not going to pay you. And I was so upset because I worked so hard. We agree on something. I did the video. Everything was going great. The views were there. But they just said no. So I went on to email them back and I said, I think this is unfair because I put so much. Well, it turns out that the company said that they were going to sue me. On top of the fact that they did not want to pay me, they said that they were going to sue me. And I'm just like, wow. I took down the video. I took it completely down. But then later on, I realized, you know what? I worked so hard for it. I'm just going to make it public. Oh well, I'll take it as a loss. It's a learning experience.
You will also get contacted by companies who are awesome and they're willing to work with you and support you and respect you as a creator. So be sure to work with those companies, and just remember that there is good people out there who are going to value your work.
But let's not focus on the negative. Let's focus on the positive side. If you're starting your channel, in my opinion, you should say yes to everything. Don't think they're going to charge you, because they're not going to charge you. And just give it a try, and just make sure you're honest with your audience. Even though it's free, just be honest, you know. Don't say, oh my god, this is great, even though it's not great, just because you got it for free. You will make money by doing collaborations with companies. That's how you're going to make the most money. But if you decide not to make collaborations and charge for anything, you will also receive a check from Google Assets, and that's from the views that you will be getting throughout the month. And we YouTubers, we only get paid once a month. I believe it is the 22nd of every month. I hope I hope I don't make anyone mad by me telling you guys all this, but I just want to be honest with you guys, and this is something that I wish somebody would have told me. And I don't see a lot of YouTubers talk about these things, and I don't know why. I feel like everything's so secretive and like, ooh, let's not tell people. And I think you should tell others. by you helping others, you know, good karma comes your way. That's the way I see it. How I reply to my emails when I do get a offer of doing like a collaboration, I usually ask them like, what is it that you want me to do? What is your budget? And that it kind of gives like an open door for the company to email me back and say, well, you know what, this is our budget, or we do not have a budget. Do the dedicated videos. If it suits your brand, that's awesome, that's great. And if it doesn't, then, you know, you can always say, no, this is not for me. Thank you for reaching out. I did not know all this at the beginning. And, you know, you learn from experience. I know a few ladies on Instagram who I would love to see them have a YouTube channel because they're so, like, entertaining. They have a large following of people on Instagram. And I'm like, girl, why don't you have your YouTube channel? You would be so good at it. You're already like so engaging in your stories, and they're just really like awesome ladies, you know? And yeah, so I told one of them, I'm like, I'm gonna show you how to make a YouTube channel. We live in a time where a lot of people can have their own little business, and this is a business. Like I said, I am a private contractor, you know? And so are you if you start your own YouTube channel. And just keep it up, you guys. I hope this kind of helped you to get a better idea of how YouTube works, how we get paid, how you make money. If you're doing YouTube for the money, you're doing it for the wrong reasons. That shouldn't be the main reason. What else can I advise you? If you have the support from your significant other, if you do have a significant other, be thankful for that as well. At the beginning, when you start your YouTube channel, you are going to know that people are not going to know who you are. So therefore, you have to be straight to the point. Make it short and simple when you do upload your videos. Introduce yourself to the audience. Make sure you tell them right away what is it the video is going to be about. And also keep your titles fun. Always have a thumbnail, and you might be wondering, what is a thumbnail? The thumbnail is what the viewer is going to want to click on. Keep it related to what the title is. So for example, if I'm doing a Victoria's Secret haul, you'll see me with my bags, and I do those thumbnails. And I upload them into the website. I forgot what it's called. Canvas, I believe it is. I will leave the link down below so that if you are interested in doing that, you can do that as well. And you do have like to have specific dimensions to YouTube. I believe it is 1980 times 1040, I think I want to say. And then you upload your image. You make sure everything is nice and done, and it looks presentable so that people want to click on it. The prettier the thumbnail, the more chances you'll have to get views. I'm going to be making this a thumbnail, and I want it not to be so close. I'll just do it right here like this. Smile. And that's my thumbnail. And I'll just put how to start a YouTube channel right here. You can also upload images like a YouTube logo here, and that you get it from Google. You Google like an image, and then you download it into your computer. Then from your computer you upload it into Canvas, and then just put it right here. So it's pretty fun. You'll eventually get the hang of it. If you're going to be using music, make sure it is not copyright, because if it is copyright, you will not be able to monetize your videos. That money that you made for your videos will go to the artist, whoever it is that you decide to put on your video. Let's say you put Shakira and you got 1 million views. All those views, all that money is going to Shakira, not you. So yeah, make sure you use music that is not copyright. There is plenty of websites that offer free music. I personally pay a subscription. I believe it is $15 a month that I paid for my music. If you're interested, I will leave a link down below to where I buy my music, or I get my music from. And most of the YouTubers use this, what I use as well. And I will also put a a YouTube channel down below where you can get the music for free. You can download it into your computer and also use it on your videos. That's what I used to do before, but sometimes I didn't find the music that I was looking for, so therefore that's why I decided to pay a monthly fee for this subscription. You don't have to do that. You can get the free music, and that's completely fine as well. And when you do have your video ready to upload and your thumbnails there, you monetize your video, you had fun making it, and everything's fine and perfect, you upload it, you share it, you make it public so that everyone can see it. Share it on your social medias, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. Tell everyone to watch it. And that's pretty much what I do. I just share everything everywhere. I make sure I have my Snapchat, which to be honest, I prefer using Instagram. I feel like Instagram is the place to be. I love pictures, so therefore I'm always uploading fun pictures. And the better the quality for your companies will want to feature you in their main page. If you're uploading on Instagram, for example, you made your video and you want to upload a picture, make sure it is high quality image, and also tag the people that you want to tag. For example, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, whatever brand that you're using or promoting, you tag them so that if they do get to see your image, they will repost. YouTube is not for everyone, and it is a lot of work, filming and editing, and if it's for you, then go for it, do it, and have fun with it. And yeah, so that's my tips for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if I clarified things, if it makes sense what I said on this video. Yeah, and if you have any other questions, anything else that you would like me to talk about, please leave them on the comments down below. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go because Athena is getting fussy. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I hope you found this video to be helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified next time I upload a video. Also, good luck on your journey here on YouTube if you decide to start a channel. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!